Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2019 Kia Forte. They are here for AC concern. Try to see if I do have a pressure here, and I do not. So I did check the condenser. There's no suspicious activity going on there. I check each line and I don't have any obvious leak. Now I'm gonna check my evaporator core right here. I've seen one in the past that this guy right here leaks, so we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Just gonna use this towel to cover this thing up because I don't want any dirt going in there. Alright guys, so here is my evidence. This thing right here is live freon. So the evaporator core is leaking. Alright, so the customer approved the repair, but we don't have the part. So I'm gonna put all back together so they can have their vehicle back. There you go guys. So if you can't find any obvious leak from your hoses, also your condenser, why don't you go ahead and check that evaporator core, right? Some of my technicians here will put Freon just to find out where is the leak. Especially this Freon is a very expensive one. So that's a waste of Freon and a waste of time. It took me like what, 10 minutes maybe just to check this evaporator core condenser, right? I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.